That is good.
You love it?
Yeah, it's yummy.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am about to show you how I make the best spaghetti ever. Um, so without further ado, let's get started. So here we have everything that I will be using for this meal. I've got tomatoes, cloves, green peppers, onions, and red peppers, also Italian parsley. Here is our ground beef, olive oil, and here is the spaghetti. Now I am about to show you how I easily cut my ground beef. Well, this particular ground beef, or like this kind. I am putting my stove on, heating my pot, and now that it's hot, I am adding the meat in there. I'm gonna spread it out and let it brown before I add green peppers, onions, red peppers, and so on. I hope y'all are ready for this, but I don't think you're ready. Okay, that was flat. But yes, y'all, I just added onions, red peppers, and green peppers, and I am adding ground black pepper, crushed red pepper, and I have got to add some salt in there. So here's the salt, and I cannot forget the lime. You cannot forget the lime. So we are adding some lime, some lime juice, and I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on there. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready. Okay, here's the cloves. Okay, that was the red sauce. It's called ragu, and I'm just gonna mix it all together. Yes. And then that is my water boiling for our spaghetti, and as you can see, it has boiled. It's now boiling, and I've got to add the spaghetti in. But first, I am just gonna take a little bit of water from there and add it to my sauce. I prefer to do that instead of adding cold water. And now let's get our spaghetti ready. Let's get it ready to put in the boiled water. Mix it a little bit so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Just, yeah, looking good. And I am adding a little bit of salt As y'all can see, I'm not measuring anything that I am using, because you guys can add whatever you like. Start little by little. And here is the parsley. I just added parsley with tomatoes in our sauce. As y'all can see, sauce is coming along. It is cooking and it's almost done. The spaghetti now is looking pretty done, and now I am draining our spaghetti and adding it into our sauce, our meat sauce. And there you have it. Spaghetti is pretty much done. I'm just gonna let it sit. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes on 3, not too high. I'm gonna put the stove on 3. And now the spaghetti, our spaghetti is ready. It is cooked. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time, y'all. Stick to the end to see our behind the scenes.
It's good.
You love it?
Yeah, it's yummy.
Is it a little hot? Blow on
Yeah.
it.
That was really good.